Not like this, not like this, and certainly not like this. Most of the German schnitzels on the internet lack authenticity. If you are going to cook German schnitzel and you want to serve it traditionally, I've got a few ideas for you. As you probably already know, Viennese schnitzel is served with a potato salad and lingonberries. As simple as that. In Germany, however, we cook different schnitzel and also the side dishes are here different. In this video, we will cover carb and vegetable side dishes as well as schnitzel sauces. And at the end of this video, I will highlight the biggest don'ts. Let's talk carbs and let's start with a potato salad. You can go Souther style with a vinegar, broth and oil dressing, or you can go Northern style with a creamy mayo dressing. Both of them work perfectly with schnitzel, so you can follow your preference here. And by the way, if you love potato salads, I've got a PDF with 5 of my favorite potato salads recipe from Germany. The only thing what you need to do is to subscribe to my newsletter to get it. The next side are the Bratkartoffeln, so the pan-fried potatoes with or without onion and bacon. If you like texture and crunch, go for this side dish. Fries also go perfectly with a schnitzel, and I think this is the most common carb side dish that is served with it. And the German potato fries are seasoned with a very delicious seasoning. But let's talk about it in one of my future videos. And the last side from this category are Spätzle. Spätzle are the German egg noodles, and those go perfectly with schnitzel when schnitzel is served with another sauce. For example, Rahmsoße. Let's move on to the fresh and tangy sides. I will be talking here about 2 salads. One, the traditional German side salad that actually consists of many different salads and vegetables and sometimes even dressings. The German side salad is usually made with a cucumber salad, some fresh and pickled vegetables, as well as different kinds of lettuces. Another salad that I want to mention is Gurkensalat, so the cucumber salad. Here, doesn't matter if you choose the variation with the oil and vinegar dressing or the sour cream dressing. Those for sure have a refreshing contrast to the rich schnitzel. When it's about other vegetables, during the white asparagus season here in Germany, sometimes white asparagus can also be served with schnitzel and sauce hollandaise. But to be honest, this is the only time when I've seen schnitzel served with any cooked vegetables. And the last, my favorite, traditional schnitzel sauces. So the most simple is the previously mentioned Rahmsoße, so the cream sauce, which is very smooth and mild. The next one is the Jägersoße, which is a rich mushroom sauce with onions and cream. Classic for pork schnitzel. Next, we have a bell pepper sauce. We called it previously Zigeunersoße, but we don't anymore. Tomato-based sauce with peppers and onions. It is also spiced with a paprika powder. It can be everything, a bit spicy, sweet, and tangy. In Frankfurt, we have Frankfurter Schnitzel, which is a schnitzel that is served with a green sauce. The green sauce is made of 7 different herbs that you probably won't find anywhere outside of Frankfurt, and this is what makes it so special. Fried onions are also perfect to serve the schnitzel with. Just make sure you fry them on butter until soft. And now I'm gonna highlight the biggest no-gos. So first of all, red cabbage and a sauerkraut. It's very uncommon to serve schnitzel with those 2. Also, we usually don't serve schnitzel with boiled vegetables like green beans, peas and carrots, or any other ones. Mashed and boiled potatoes are also not that common side dishes, although I can imagine that mashed potatoes would be a good one because of the perfect consistency. And there are also a few sauces that I've seen people serve a schnitzel with. First of all, the mustard sauce, which is usually reserved for egg and fish dishes here in Germany. Horseradish sauce, which is usually a part of the traditional Franconian dish that is served with boiled beef, egg noodles and lingonberries. And curry sauce at last, which is obviously reserved to be served with sausages only, like bratwurst. So now you know the traditional side dishes. In the end, what you serve it with, it's not my business, and you can follow your taste here. And at this point, let's make the star of the show, the schnitzel itself. Click here to watch how to make the authentic German pork schnitzel and bring the whole meal together. Wish you a lovely Sunday, and I will see you in my next one. Bye! I said it.